Today, we're going on an underwater adventure to Bikini Bottom. We're drawing some of your favorite characters from Spongebob Squarepants. Let's get ready and have fun! Can you guess what shape SpongeBob's body is? That's right, a square! SpongeBob Squarepants lives in a pineapple under the sea. Why? Because pineapples are a symbol of hospitality. What does SpongeBob love to do at the Krusty Krab? He loves making Krabby Patties. Did you know SpongeBob has had over 12 different jobs throughout the series, but he always returns to his fry cook duties? Patrick Star is SpongeBob's best friend, and even though he's not the smartest sea creature, he's always got a big heart. What color is Patrick the Starfish? You got it, he's pink. Patrick Star lives under a rock, literally. His home is a rock with a hidden trapdoor underneath. Mr. Krabs is obsessed with money and runs the Krusty Krab, where SpongeBob works as the best fry cook in Bikini Bottom. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Can you think of something Plankton is always trying to steal? The Krabby Patty recipe. Plankton is always trying to steal the Krabby Patty secret formula from Mr. Krabs, but he never quite gets it. What instrument does Squidward play? Right, the clarinet. Squidward Tentacles plays the clarinet and loves art, but he gets easily annoyed by SpongeBob and Patrick's antics. Does anyone know how many legs Squidward has? That's right, 6. What animal is Sandy? A squirrel. But she lives underwater. Sandy Cheeks is a squirrel who lives underwater in a dome. She's from Texas and loves karate. The show is full of underwater puns, like the town name, Bikini Bottom, which is a play on the real-life Bikini Atoll in the Pacific Ocean. Wow! Look at our colorful SpongeBob crew! They look so vibrant and fun, don't they? You did such an incredible job! We had so much fun drawing your favorite characters together. See you next time, little artists!